YouTube videos not showing is a frustrating problem that affects millions of users. In 2025, this issue stems from several identifiable causes, each with different likelihood and solutions. Research shows that network connectivity problems account for 40% of all cases where YouTube videos fail to show. Browser compatibility issues make up 25%, while cache and cookie conflicts contribute 20%. Account restrictions or age verification issues account for 10% of cases, while regional blocking and content policies cause the remaining 5% of problems. Network connectivity problems are the leading cause of YouTube videos not showing. When your internet connection is unstable or slow, it disrupts the complex video streaming workflow that delivers content from YouTube's servers to your device. Browser compatibility issues account for 25% of video display problems. YouTube relies on modern HTML5 video player technology, and outdated browsers may struggle to properly render videos or handle the platform's advanced features. Cache and cookie conflicts cause 20% of YouTube video problems. When your browser's stored data becomes corrupted or outdated, it can interfere with YouTube's ability to load videos properly and maintain your viewing session. Regional blocking and account restrictions together account for 15% of video access problems. Some content may be geo-blocked in your region due to licensing agreements, while account age verification or policy violations can also prevent video viewing. YouTube's enhanced content filtering and algorithm updates in 2025 can also temporarily affect video visibility. The platform's sophisticated AI-driven moderation systems may hide videos during processing, and frequent algorithm changes can impact how videos are discovered and displayed to users. Understanding these common causes helps you target the right troubleshooting approach. Whether it's checking your network connection, updating your browser, or clearing cached data, knowing the root cause makes solving YouTube video problems much more efficient. When YouTube videos aren't loading, start with these basic browser fixes that solve most common issues. First, try refreshing the page. Click the refresh button or press F5 to reload the current page and clear any temporary loading issues. For a more thorough refresh, use a hard refresh. Press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. This forces the browser to reload everything from scratch. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored files can become corrupted and prevent videos from loading properly. If browser fixes don't work, the problem might be your internet connection. Let's diagnose your network. Check your internet connection stability by testing other websites. If they're also slow or not loading, the issue is with your connection, not YouTube. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate the problem. If videos work on one connection but not the other, you've found the source of the issue. If your connection seems unstable, restart your router and modem. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for full startup. Browser issues can also prevent YouTube from working properly. Let's optimize your browser settings. Make sure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers may not support YouTube's latest features and security requirements. Temporarily disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, as they can interfere with YouTube's video player and cause loading issues. Ensure JavaScript and cookies are enabled in your browser settings. YouTube requires both to function properly. For persistent issues, try these advanced network solutions that can resolve deeper connectivity problems. Switch to Google's public DNS servers. Change your DNS settings to 8.8.8 and 8.84.4 for potentially faster and more reliable connections. Flush your DNS cache to clear any corrupted domain name records. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig flush DNS. On Mac, use sudo dscudel-flush cache. Finally, check for account-specific and mobile app issues that might be preventing video playback. Verify your account status and check if age verification is required. Some videos have restrictions that require account verification to view. On mobile devices, update the YouTube app, clear its data and cache, or reinstall it completely if problems persist. These troubleshooting steps resolve the vast majority of YouTube playback issues. Work through them systematically, starting with the simplest solutions first.